Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the number match game. This engaging puzzle challenges you to clear a grid of numbers by finding matching pairs. Your objective is to eliminate all numbers from the board, aiming for a high score. You'll be looking for two types of pairs, either two identical numbers, like two sevens, or two numbers that add up to exactly 10, such as a 3 and a 7. It's a simple concept with surprising depth. To make a match, simply tap on two numbers that meet the criteria. Remember, they must be adjacent, meaning directly next to each other, or have empty cells between them in a straight line. This adjacency can be across, up and down, or even diagonally. Once a pair is matched, those numbers disappear, creating open spaces. These new gaps are crucial, as they can connect previously separated numbers, opening up exciting new matching opportunities. To excel at number match, strategic thinking is key. Try to clear entire rows or columns whenever possible. This creates significant open areas, making it easier to find subsequent matches. Always look for pairs that will not only clear numbers, but also connect other previously isolated digits. Don't leave single numbers stranded, as they can become difficult to match later. Planning 2 or 3 moves ahead will significantly improve your chances of clearing the board and achieving a top score. For advanced play, consider using the Add Numbers feature wisely. It can extend your game, but also fill the board. Your ultimate goal is to clear every single number for a substantial bonus. Consistent practice will sharpen your pattern recognition skills and increase your matching speed. Remember, the game is about both logic and observation. Have fun challenging yourself and keep striving to beat your personal best score in this engaging number puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.